Hey guys, welcome to the Paint with Lovejoy podcast. Thanks so much for joining. In today's question and Ask Lovejoy and video demonstration, how do you add the hanging hardware to the back of your painting? Welcome to the Paint with Lovejoy podcast, the place where first-time and beginner painters can learn more about acrylic painting, the mindset of learning a new skill, and where your creative questions will be answered. Thanks for joining. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you the way that I use D-rings to add the hanging hardware to the back of my paintings. Here is a list of your supplies, and feel free to pause the video as you go along. And I want you to measure about 1/3 from the top with your ruler and make a mark, and do this on both sides of your painting. Then you're going to secure your D-ring and screw in place. Did it twice here. And then you're going to grab your screwdriver or drill and secure the screw in the wood. Again, you're going to do this on both sides of the painting, and it does help if you hold that D-ring in place while you're doing that. Next, we're going to measure and cut our hanging wire, and you want it the length of your painting with an additional 2 inches on either side of the D-ring so you can flip the wire back and twist it and secure it. So once you've got your wire cut, we're going to pull it into those D-rings, and I do like to pull it both at the same time and have the same amount of wire overhanging on each side. And we'll be wrapping this around. There we go, pulling it taut. And then I want you to wrap the excess wire one more time around the D-ring. This kind of secures it so it's not going to move. And then you're going to loop the remaining wire around. And you do want to do this pretty tight and make it look nice and clean. Having the front of your painting look nice is always awesome, but you also want your back of your painting to look clean and professional. So don't just wrap it around there like crazy. Kind of hold it tight and kind of get a nice tight wrap on there. You are more than welcome to cut the excess wire. By coiling the wire, that actually gives extra security to the wire. Thanks for checking this out, and feel free to leave any comments or questions that you want me to make a video on in the future.